Ready to kickstart your next coding adventure? We'll show you how to create a GitHub repository in under 90 seconds. First, head over to github.com and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page, then click on the Repositories tab. Next, click the green New button to begin making a new repository. Now, you'll be taken to the Create a New Repository page. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a name for your repository. Make sure it's descriptive and easy to remember. Next, add a brief description of your project. This helps others understand what your repository is all about. Choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private repositories are only accessible to you and the collaborators you invite. Scroll down to the Initialize this repository with section. It's generally a good idea to check the box to add a README file. This file will give visitors information about your project. Finally, click the green Create Repository button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new GitHub repository. Now you can start adding your code, tracking changes, and collaborating with others. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Git and GitHub tips.